All right, guys, welcome to another vlog. All these guys are slow except for Josh because he's the only one faster than me right now. All right, so I got here late. We didn't really film. I didn't film the first session at all, but
We're just stuck in here.
Are we stuck?
100%.
This turned into a karting video to stuck in an elevator video.
He might be stuck in the elevator.
Can you press it on the outside?
All right. Yeah, we're gonna take the stairs. It's Jacob's birthday. We're here at AMP kart track. We're all doing it for the first time. We did one session. We have 2 more sessions. So by the 3rd session, we should all know the track, and then we'll really see who's the fastest. Right now, I did place 8th in the first event out of I think 24 racers. Josh was 5th. Everybody else still figuring it out. So I ain't gonna talk crap yet. We got time, but got my GoPro set up on the camera so I can actually film this session, and yeah, I'll let you know. Now I'm car 35. We might switch it, depends on if everybody gets here, but it's gonna have my name on it regardless, so I'm gonna holla at y'all. I'm gonna gap all these fools.
Takes the lead of the race as Lando Norris slides off the track and avoids the barriers.
long time. And then Josh passed me and then took off on me, so he probably got faster time if he'd been driving like that the whole time. Second and fourth. Damn.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, we just finished the second session. I got fourth, and Josh, again, he beat me. He beat me by 4 seconds. He's second place right now. At the top 10 times of the day, I mean, it is kind of early in the day, but I'm 8th and he's 5th. So 8th fastest time of the day. Yeah, buddy. So we got one more session, and that's gonna be all the bragging rights. Everybody knows the track now, so there's no more excuses. I know some of these karts ain't as good as the other karts. The kart I had, the brakes were perfect. The last kart I had, the brakes were kind of weird. You hit the brakes and it kicked off to the side. Brakes were perfect on this one, but the alignment was a little off. Kept going to the right. And but we're having fun. This is fun. These cars are pretty fast, so we got one more session, and then we can talk all the shit we want. Oh. And there's the GT3. So this is a go-kart track, and next to it is an actual track, like a full-on racetrack that they do, like, you know, real races. All right, so it's about that time, about the last one. This is for all the bragging rights. I don't want to hear no excuses. Only one that can talk crap right now is Josh. I'm letting y'all know, y'all gonna hear it all the way home. Who want to ride with me home? Because I'm talking shit the whole time. Make sure you film everybody that's like getting passed by me. Okay. You see the red hoodie coming through. You know it's coming.
You might need to try small. Yeah, you got it.
All right, so David last session had a flat tire. They just found out now.
Now still 10 seconds off pace, which is
10 seconds is a lot. That's a lot. And he was 70 seconds in the lap. And Jacob's helmet didn't fit. You got a good one now. No more excuses. No more excuses. You got any excuses for when I lose?
All or nothing.
I'm gonna slam right into Josh. I'm winning today. I don't care.
Straight on! Perez leads from Sebastian Vettel, and
one good lap. Where you at? Where you at, Josh? Where you at, Josh?
Josh isn't on there, bro.
What's the name on out there?
You got a bad track.
You got a bad track.
Oh, man, I've got it figured out, man.
Well, Josh isn't on there. Josh isn't on there. That means I won. No, I had one good lap. My car had no rear traction.
Mine had flat tire, I think. It was really slow, no power. But it was fun. It was fun though.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I know it's kind of random, but we're gonna take our little family picture over here, and yeah. So thanks for watching. You guys should definitely come out here if you can. It's a lot of fun. We'll definitely be back one day because I gotta beat Josh, and that's all I got. Picture time. Deuces.